guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something very fun. I'm going to be showing you my favorite lipstick colors for the spring that at least I have, and maybe for some reason you guys will have it too. But yeah, I'm just going to show you general colors that I think work great for me in the spring, and maybe if you have something comparable you could also wear it. But yeah, I'm excited just because I love doing videos with lipstick. I'm obviously going to try on all of them with you just so you can see the colors. I'm going to be using different brands. But yeah, also if you guys like this look, I do have a video that should be either out before this or after this showing you how I make this whole look come together. I fixed the freckles a little bit. They are still a little ridiculous. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. I hope you are enjoying all of my spring themed videos as much as I am. So yeah, let's get right into things. Yeah. Okay, so I have 10 different shades to show you. Again, these are my favorite colors, at least for the spring, out of my collection. There's obviously going to be more, but yeah, these are the ones that I like that I just want to share with you and show you how, you can use them. So the first one I already have on. This is just part of this look. This is the Kylie Cosmetics. This is the August lippie, and I think this came out in her summer collection last year. It's super cute. Again, it has the Kylie logo on it. You can kind of see. And this is a matte. I really like this. I have 3 of these shades, but I just feel like this is such a pretty like matte pink lipstick, which let's see, I think this is the only lipstick I have in my collection besides like a matte lip, but these do stand really well. I just feel like this is really great. I feel like the springtime, you're looking for more lighter colors. You're looking for a more like natural look because, the colors that you're wearing, like I'm wearing this baby pink shirt right now, they're going to be lighter colors, and sometimes you just don't want to do a full glam in the spring. But yeah, this looks good with what I'm wearing now. I just have like a pastel liner on and lashes. But yeah, it looks really good. Again, that one I recommend. If you haven't tried one of her lipsticks, I definitely recommend trying it. Okay, so next, let's go into Colourpop. I have a few different things from Colourpop I will show you. This is the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lip. This is Out of the Beach. So as you can see, it looks really bright in the bottle. Or in the, what even is this? The container. I don't know, forget it. Okay, so also, like, keep in mind that I'm not wearing any contacts, any glasses, so for me to be able to see myself, like, afar is very hard, but up close is fine. So if I'm, like, looking, like, in odd directions, please do not judge. I'm doing this for the beauty. Okay, so here's this color. I think it is just muted down enough from that hot pink color for you to be able to wear it in the spring. It's also, since it's a blotted lip, these are really buildable, but these are also like very sheer. It feels like you have nothing, almost like a chapstick on your lips. But these are really nice. They also dry down really quick. But I just feel like it's just a nice pop of color to put on with any look you're wearing, any brighter color. Even like if you're going to wear like, a pastel yellow or a pastel color, this lip will look good. But yeah, I like it. Again, it's very buildable, so the darker or the more you put on, the darker it gets. But I really like it. I think, again, it's a great shade to be like, hey, summer is coming, but it's not here kind of look. But I really like it. And yeah, these are really great. If you haven't tried the blotted lips, I definitely recommend that. Okay, so next for Colourpop, I have this Colourpop. This is the Crystal Lip Balm. This is Rose Quartz, and these were released a while ago. And honestly, I haven't worn it in a while, but this is what it looks like. I'll do a swatch of it, if it'll pick up. So it's this rose-toned, like, lip balm. You put it on real quick. But it definitely shows up. So this is what it looks like. I think this will be good because I feel like in the spring you kind of do like a lighter makeup. You do like more of a natural look because, you're just getting over winter where you had all your darker colors and you want like a light look. But yeah, I think this would be super cute, especially if you're like going out. It's like not too bright. I don't know what that is on my lip. It's not too bright and not too outrageous, but it also has that like moisturizing feel on it. So it's good if you're just hanging out, going to dinner. But again, I get this weird thing. It's just a pretty pink. You can see, and I do have other shades of this. They do make other shades as well. I just feel like pink is kind of like what's coming back, which I'm happy for. But this is super comfortable. It's another thing that Colourpop did really great. I wish they like brought them back. I know they have like setting sprays and highlighters, I think, to go with each collection, but I was really in love with these. I'm really gonna get into it again. Let's get into that. Okay, so next for Colourpop, I have another So Juicy gloss, which I know I rave about these. In like 2 videos I raved about them, but this is the shade Chinchilla. So this is kind of just like a light tinted pink light tinted pink lip gloss. I do have a mirror down here, that's why I'm looking the other way. Oh, I put a lot on. Again, it just has that really pretty like tint of pink. I think it's just really nice again for the spring. It's that like light color. It gives you just a hint of color on your lips, but also you could do like a pretty look on your eyes and just have it match really well. But again, it's that like pastel shade. It has that like minty feel. I don't know, this color just period, or this like lippy, reminds me of like spring, so I'm definitely gonna wear this. Alright, so we'll go into another gloss while we're at it. I have the Lime Crime Wet Cherry gloss. This is shade Baby Cherry. And just another really pretty like baby pink color. Oh my god, these both feel so good on your lips. And this is more of like a darker shade compared to the... Now it won't close. Compared to the Colourpop, I'll show you. It's more of like a baby pink, where this is more of like an orangey pastel-y pink. But they're totally different. They both feel so good on your lips. These, again, for my glosses video, I do recommend wearing a lip liner with. I just didn't really have one compatible from what I could see right now. But this, again, is really pretty. Glosses are going to be the perfect time for spring. I just ordered some more from Colourpop, so I'll obviously be talking about them a little more. But they're so pretty. They're so light. They just feel so great. Alright, let's get rid of this. Okay, so before I get into my Jeffree Star, I'm going to do this Stila. This is the Stay All Day liquid lipstick. And if you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, I did post a video of when I wore this. This is shade Bella. It's super pretty. It's super bright. But I feel like it just works for the springtime. It's just this really bright pink. Let me put it on. So this is what it looks like. Again, it's very bright. Sometimes I feel like my face makes... Whatever, I'm not even going to worry about it. So it's super pretty. Again, I wore this, like I said, I wore this yesterday, so I had it in my video. But it's super pretty. I think it's just bright enough to wear in the spring without people being like, what the hell is that? Or, you know, just getting irritated because it's so bright. But it's also like, it stays on forever. And I think it's just really pretty. I'm noticing that there's like kind of a trend with this video. I have a lot of pinks. When I associate colors with spring, I'm just feeling like a lot of like pink, a lot of colors that remind me of like flowers kind of. And I don't know, it's a good time before summer where I choose to wear like really like bright lips, like oranges, hot pinks, all those colors that really pop out and that are like pretty outrageous. So spring is my time to wear like a muted lip that's like pink or red, just very like girly, I think, spring of. Alright, hopefully this comes off. That pink was really hard to get off, but I got it off. Okay, so next we're going into my favorite lipsticks. Obviously I saved them for the last, but these are all the Jeffree Star lipsticks. So I have shade Gemini. This is just a really pretty, like, I don't know, I would say it's like a, I want to say a rose color almost. It's like a nudie pink, but I think this is going to be super pretty in the springtime, especially for a nude. Again, I'm like going with all these pinky vibes. So let's put her on. So this is Gemini. Again, my lips are still kind of tinted from that really bright lip, but I don't know, I really like it. Again, it's like not a boring nude. It has like a reddish pinkish tint to it, and I think it'll be super cute. Oh, I just think it'll be super cute in the springtime, especially because you could wear different eye looks with it. But yeah, it's super pretty. Again, very light on your skin. Alright, so this is a little different color. This is again a Jeffree Star lip. This is shade Self Control. And this is such a beautiful like lavender, like pinky purple color. This is a great shade for the spring. I just feel like you can wear it and not have to worry about people being like, oh, well, why is she wearing that color? And I know like with my hair, I'm gonna love this color even more. So again, it's this really pretty pinky purple. It is so pretty. This is definitely a color I'm gonna be wearing in the spring. Just because one, it looks so cool with my hair. Like any purple lip look just like so good with my lip. Any purple lip just looks so good with my hair. But yeah, this is super pretty. I recommend any of these formulas. I love this shade. It came out Valentine's Day last year with the Blood Sugar collection. So yeah, this is a really pretty lippie. I don't think I've showed this yet in any of my videos, so that's exciting. But again, it's just pretty with even a neutral look, a purple look, you know, whatever you're looking for, or something glittery. Alright, let's get rid of this. My lips are on fire. Okay, so next we're getting a little bold. We're not afraid to wear color here. So we are going with shade Clout. This is from the holiday collection, Jeffree Star, of course. In this color, I'll just put it on and we could talk about it. This shade is so pretty. This color is so great if you're like going out or you're wearing like a little bolder outfit, or even like a dull, like if you're wearing a white shirt or something and you want to look like bang, this is the shade. And like at the moment I'm obsessed with purple, but I feel like this is such a pretty like light lavender color that you could wear this with any pastel look with anything. And I don't know, I love lipstick so much that I will wear literally any shade. Like at this rate, I really don't care. And I've also been thinking about doing a funny video where I wear like a really outrageous lipstick to work and seeing like what people's responses is, or just like maybe out in public. But I will keep you updated with that, and maybe even comment if you want to see that video, cause it'd be funny. Okay, so our last lipstick for this video is Jeffree Who, another holiday collection, which any of those shades I highly recommend. Like I think I'm missing two now that I'm going to end up getting like real soon, because all of these shades are so wearable and they're so pretty. My swatches are getting wonky. And this shade is a lot darker than Gemini. I mean, it's a little sparkly in the tube, but you can see. But this one is just a really pretty, like brighter pink. Again, I feel like this would be a good shade if you're wearing like a lot of white. It looks good with this. But as you can see, most of the colors that I did try on today look good with like any pastel shade. I do have this pastel eyeliner on right now today, so it looks good with anything really. And again, like it's just, I feel like the spring is just time to be like really girly, just to wear colors that you normally wouldn't, go in with pastel and all that stuff. Just very exciting to try like new things, but also like keep it like kind of toned down. I feel like the spring is that in between like your really bold looks. Like winter, you have all the dark colors that you like to wear, like a lot of those reds right in the transition to spring. Like in the summer, you have all those really bold colors. Like I know I like to wear the bright orange, any like really bright lipstick where basically like, well, no matter what kind of eye look you're wearing, the lipstick is the star of the show, at least for me. And you know, it's just, those are the bold times, and then the spring is just time to like, you know, go back and just go like kind of natural, kind of pretty. I don't know, if anyone else agrees with me, like let me know, but that's just like how I feel. So yeah, I mean, I guess that's it. Again, these are just a few of the shades that I really love. I minimized it down to 10 shades. Again, I probably have a ton more in this collection of stuff. I also have a lot of that new Colourpop spring collection coming in. So I think for that, I'm just going to do like a haul because I don't want to make another one. But yeah, these are all the lippies that I love. I hope you guys really like this video. I hope you're really enjoying all the spring videos. I know I'm ready for warmer weather. But yeah, comment below which lipstick you like. I will put links below to all of the lipsticks. You know, if you want to buy some or you want to just check it out a little bit closer, don't forget to look in that description box. But yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.